Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. It's not difficult to make. All you have to know are two rows. You always repeat the rows. One is a single crochet, the row on the back side, and the other are crochet. It's not difficult to make, as you see. You will see as we go along. This stitch, I think it's ideal or for a bag. It will be ideal for a bag. Very nice for a bag. You can use it for many things, but for a bag I think it's an ideal stitch to use it. Hope that you found this video useful and that you try it. We start by making the chains, as always. Now, I have 20 here. I'm going to make another 3. This will serve as a treble. And we're going to go to the 4th row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4th chain. And we're going to make a treble in every chain that we have. So you have to make a treble in every chain that you have. You continue all the row like that, making a treble in every chain that you have. The row is ready, as you can see. Now start the next row. This row you always have to repeat it. The second row is always this row that I'm going to do. A chain, we turn the work around and we make a single crochet in every treble we made before. The whole row, this row we have to repeat it always on the wrong side. We have to make a single crochet in every treble that we made before. You continue all the row like that. Now we're going to start this third row, and this third row you have to always repeat it on the right side. On the wrong side we always repeat the single crochet. We make 3 chains. Now we go in the first one here and we make a treble. We put this hook from here to here and we make a treble like that. Now the second treble we're going to go here, in here, and we make a single a treble. We skip this one here, we go to the next one here, and we make a treble there. We go to the next one here, and we make a treble here. We skip this one, we go to this one, and we make a treble. Wait. We go here, and we make a treble here. We skip this one and go to the next one, and we make another treble from there to there. Now we go here where we made the single crochet and we make a treble there. We skip this one, we go to the next one, treble, and a treble here and the next here, and you continue all the row like that. You skip one from here and we make a treble from there and the other one from here. You continue all the row like that. This is how it comes. We are here at the edge. We go in the chains that we made before and we finish with a treble. And that is how it comes, the first one. Now we're going to start the next row, as I told you, and on the wrong side we are going to make always a single crochet. A single crochet in every treble that we made before. You continue all the row like that, doing a single crochet. That is the row ready too. Now we're going to start the next row with 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Now here we're going to make a treble here. Since the long one is here, we're going to start from here with a treble from here. We make a treble there. Now the next treble, we go to this one here, that looks shorter. This looks shorter than this one. We're going to work on the shorter one. And we're going to make a treble from there to there. Il prossimo on the next one, sorry. The next one we go here, from here to here, and we make a treble there. We find the short one here, we skip this one, we find the short one here, and we make a treble from there to there. Another treble here in the middle here. We skip this long one, we go to the short one here, and we make a treble from there to there. Again another treble in between here, and in the short one we make a treble, and you continue all the row like that. You put it in the short one here, and the other one you put it there. You continue all the row like that, and that is the row ready. Now we're going to start the next row. We're going on the wrong side, we make a chain, and always on the wrong side we make a whole row single crochet, as I told you. On the wrong side, a whole row single crochet. You continue all the row like that. Now we're going to start the next row. We're going to make like this: 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Now here we have the short one. This is the long one, this is the short one. So we're going to make the hook from there to there, and we're going to make a treble. We go here, in between here, and we make a treble there. We skip this long one, we go to the next short one, and we make a treble there. Treble here. Again we skip this long one, we go to the short one here, and we make a treble there. A treble here, and again. Another treble here. We find the short one and we make. And you continue all the row like that. Then when you finish this one, you make another row single crochet, as I told you. Then the row after you make another one like this. You continue the pattern like that. And this is the final result, how it comes. As you can see, it was not difficult to make. As I told you before, all you had to do is repeat the same 2 rows. One is single crochet and the other trebles, but always the same. It was not difficult to make. Hope that you found this video useful and that you try it. Bye for now.